Hi, this is Adrienne with Swift Galleries. I wanted to show you today how you can quickly and easily upload and calibrate a room photo, whether it's a stock room photo you have the rights to or a client's room photo. All you're going to do is go into the client, so I'm going to go into Manage Clients and click Manage on the client where I'm going to put this room photo and click Design. Now once I'm in the designer, all I need to do is click Rooms, and I'm going to click this green Upload a Room Photo bar. Now you can read through this and watch the videos, but it's just going to show you what I'm showing you right now. But if you need help along the way, and this is the same in the sales meeting version of Swift Galleries, if you're actually doing the sales meeting module in Swift Galleries, you'll still have these steps. So if you forget how to do something, you can just watch that video and read the directions real quick. So I have my room photo. It is already on my computer, so I'm going to upload it from my device. Here it is. Now this room photo, we already have some wall art there, but this is a gallery that we are continually adding to. So it already has some products on the wall, but it can obviously also be blank. So all I need to do is zoom in on the thing I have the measurement for. And in this case, it's going to be this 16 by 24 metal print from Bay Photo. This is 24 inches. You could even do this diagonally if you knew a diagonal measurement. But here you go. This has been calibrated properly. So if I want to add, here we go. This is a 24 by 30. This is way too big for this spot. That looks better. All right, so if we're going to continue adding down here, this is going to show me that this is a 16 by 20, and this is what it looks like in this space. Always let me know if you have any questions. I am happy to help, and thank you for watching.